Meaning of ewer.
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 Ewer. An ewer is a type of pitcher or jug that is typically used for holding liquid, such as water. It is often made of ceramic, glass, or metal and has a handle and spout for pouring. Ewers have been used by various cultures throughout history and can be highly decorative, with intricate designs and patterns. They are commonly found in museums and art collections as examples of ancient craftsmanship and design. Ewers can also be functional objects used in everyday life, adding beauty and elegance to the act of pouring and serving liquids.